Alright, so who's going first?
Right, that's up.
Right.
Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What up, man? We're done. We're ready, my youth.
That's it. Yeah, see that?
Alright.
Yeah, what up?
Winner goes first or loser goes first?
So let me ask, hold on. Let me ask before I make my decision. These words hard?
Bro, just spell it. Like you, aren't you, like, come on, Sue. Aren't you a
Man,
supervisor?
stop playing with me, but he different. What's going on, world? This is Remix Kid, Jay Price.
What's up, guys? It's Oceana.
And we both have some fun over here at OG Studios.
Alright, Price. Your first word is guap.
Guap. Say it in a sentence.
I'm out here getting guap.
G-U-A-P.
Correct.
Yeah.
Next. Alright, go ahead and introduce yourself.
It's me.
I'm gonna say microphone right.
It's your boy Danger. You already know what it is.
Oh, it's your girl, Empress Imani. It's good.
Come on. She's gonna lose. Go.
Alright, DJ Danger. Your word is Sichu.
Sit. One more time.
Sichu.
Or place of origin.
Place of origin?
Yeah.
Ghetto girl.
Ghetto girl.
Yes, sir.
Use it in a sentence.
I seen you and your little girlfriend at the movies.
Alright, seen you. That's what you seen you. I seen you with your word. SEENTCHU. No!
And
I thought
pass it over.
Seent.
Pass it over.
Okay. Seen you. SEINCHU.
Go ahead and introduce yourself.
What's up, y'all? I'm Star.
And I'm Bree.
Alright, so because nobody got the point in the last round, we're going to switch the order. So team 1 is going to go first.
Okay. Cool. Hit me.
Alright, Brianna.
Brianna, that's not my name.
We don't care.
Bree.
Bree, yeah. I mean, yeah, Bree's my name.
Your word is humbug.
Humble.
Humbug.
Humbug.
Yes.
Humbug. Okay. HUMBUG. Okay.
Alright, go ahead and introduce yourself.
What's up? It's Day Today Marv, and you're here. I'm joking. That's the intro.
Follow me on Instagram at Big Shooter.
Big Shooter, you heard what it is. I'm joking.
Alright. Say today, Marv.
Yo.
Your word is weebles.
What? Can I have the definition?
Definition?
Yeah.
Peoples.
Oh, weeples, like white peoples. Weeples. All right, so WEEPLES. What?
She said, huh?
That's what I was gonna say.
Remember, you still got.
Can you say it in a sentence?
What you and your weeples doing today?
Oh, WEEPLES.
Alright, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Yeah. Cut up. Underscore.
Oh, shit.
My bad.
I thought she was done.
Cut up underscore. I gotta get a space. Underscore 876 and.
Brittany the Ninja on Instagram.
Okay.
Like Britney Spears, yeah.
Alright. So since nobody got the point in the last round, we're gonna switch. So Brittany's gonna go first.
What? Okay.
Take the phone.
Oh, snap. I ain't know. I'm thinking.
Stupid.
All right, Brittany. Your word is occur.
OOOKURT.
What's the word? Please use that word in the sentence, please.
Me and my girls turning up tonight. Occur.
Oh my God. Oh, Kurt. What's the word? Oh, Kurt. O C. The fuck?
Y'all can't help me either, so.
Oh, Kurt. Occur.
No, it sounded like he said
O-K.
like
E-R.
you had a T at the end.
O-K-E.
Alright, what's the lifeline on that?
Teammate or a person in the room.
Alright.
So, alright, so since it's you, pick a teammate to say the word.
To say the word.
Yeah.
I should give another chance.
O-K-E-E.
Start over. Like,
No. Pass it to Brittany.
Bro, you ain't even saying it right.
Go ahead, spell it.
Okay, OKURR.
Spell it one more time.
OKURR. What is the extra R? Oh, I was supposed to be like R. R.
Go ahead and introduce yourself. Right.
I'm Denzel Kwamely. You can follow me on IG, Denzel_Kwamely.
Follow me on Instagram at RJETTAS. Mr. Everything K.
Alright, then. I don't mean no, I'm not gonna switch it because it's gonna make it funny. I don't mean to like do this to you. You know what I'm saying? But your word, I don't even want to say it, man.
What did I say right now?
Come on, man.
Your word is.
What's the word?
Your word is zaddy.
What?
Zaddy.
Okay, that's the E1. That's the easy. Two niggas up there saying zaddy. That shit, hey.
Come on, bro. Spell the word. Spell the word. Spell the word. Remember, you got to place the origin, using the sentence, using the long song lyric or the lifeline.
I mean, I thought about another Z going at it. The sleep. Alright.
Sit up, brother.
Wait till the dog finish for the word, brother.
Damn.
Alright, go ahead, Denzel.
I mean, the fact that I said that earlier, I think I'm gonna have to pass, brother.
Hey, bro, watch out with the gear, brother.
Huh? What?
Come on, bro. Remember, you only got a minute, so.
ZADDY. Alright.
Why you forget?
Alright, Oshi. Your word is screets.
Screets.
Screets. Remember, you have your place of origin, definition, using the sentence, lifeline, using the song lyric.
Okay, use it in a sentence for me, please.
I'll holler at you later. I'm about to get in these screets.
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 SKEERTS.
bro, you better get it right since you over here fucking laughing.
I'm Fred. Well, I'm my SK. Hey, how the fuck?
Hey, shut up. Just spell the word
SKREETS, maybe.
Spell it one more time.
Say the word one more time.
Bro,
Say it slow for me.
Screets.
SKREETS.
Okay, Okay, and first, your word is oucha.
Ouchia. Okay.
Oucha.
OUTCHEA.
Yes.
What we really out you?
So Star, your word is word to mother.
Word? That's not even the right term.
It's not, but it's okay.
Can you use it in a sentence?
Word to my mother, you dead ass.
Sorry, but like that's two different words that you say.
That's easy to spell that though.
Okay. WORDTOMUVA.
And
Damn.
WORDTO. I'm sorry. MA. MAVA. It's wrong. Word WORDTO.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
You know what? Okay. All right.
alright, so your word is no.
No.
You from Atlanta, so you should get this right.
Straight up, no.
I'm not from Atlanta. Okay. North. I'ma spell it how I spell. I ain't gonna lie to you. N-O-T-R. Huh? N-O-R-T-H. North. How is you spelling?
Can you say the word one more time?
No.
Bro, you say that shit like.
No. That's what it's in.
No.
I mean N-O-T-H.
No. Use it in a sentence, please.
I'm headed over to my cousin's house. She live in the north.
North side.
North side. North. One N. O. F.
But your word is you heard me?
Y'all heard me?
You heard me? You heard me?
That sounds straightforward.
Hey man, stop playing, man. Stop giving them tips.
Is y'all? Cause he can't be. He don't be.
Yeah.
Like, yup.
You heard me?
Nah, don't worry about it. Just got this.
YOHARD.
Wait till he's done. Wait till he's done. Don't pressure him. Don't pressure him.
YO.
Let's spell it.
YU. Bro, I don't know, bro. YO. H.
Hey, go hit that shit, man. Stop playing. I don't know, bro.
YUHEARDME.
Maybe.
Really?
Your word is fitty.
Place of origin definition.
Say something. Have him say something.
You got lifeline.
Fitty.
Don't listen to him. Listen to him.
Right. You over there
Fitty.
thinking you have place of origin to you. You have used it.
You only got a minute, so you over there fitty.
I did F-I-F-T-Y.
What?
F-I-F-T-Y.
And pass it over.
Fuck that, brother.
Remember, you got all definition, using a sentence, lifeline. Fitty.
Fitty. Fitty.
Yo,
Flitty.
heard that.
All right.
Her 3-year-old child.
The FLYT. Philly. No, Fitty. FITTY. FITTI. FITTI. FITTI.